Hello everyone and welcome back to my video. This is Mike Dave Yup, and for today's video I'll be unboxing, reviewing, and testing out this power station. Wait, if you may ask, what is a power station? A power station is a power bank with some or more functionalities than that of a regular power bank. Without further ado, let's now unbox this. Let's go! I got this power station from Shopee at an MSRP price of around 2,990 or 3,000 pesos. And then if you get the optional solar panel, it spikes up to 4,299. But with some begotten vouchers from Shopee, I was able to mull it down to at the same base price of 3,000 pesos or just above it, but it's a steal price for a power station. So what I'm holding here, it's quite heavy. There you go. This is the NSS portable power station. The model number is NS-2578. This has AC charging, solar panel charging, and the support for external battery. Based on NSS, they say that this can drive an LED bulb or LED lamp, a TV, an AC fan or electric fan, and some digital devices, of course. In the box, you have here the adapter charger, the crocodile clips if you have a battery with you, and 4-in-1 USB cable. But you can actually plug two type A's to plug your USB for your devices. And if you can see here, there's the AC output, so this is universal. There's for the light and some outputs. This is for both the charging and solar charging. Now I will have to read what's in the box. So there is a solar panel which is optional, not included for the base model. It has a built-in inverter of 150 or up to 150 watts of power. AC peak output is 250, but I would not recommend you going 250. That's just the peak. You'll have to abide with the 150 watts continuous output. You have a 12 volt 12 ampere lead acid battery, so this is not lithium, that's why this is cheaper. Also there's one AC output, two pieces USB output of 5 volts up to 2.4 amperes. Sadly there is no fast power delivery. Maybe at least they could have added a 25 or 50 watts charging for the USB. Unfortunately, we're still in the Ice Age era with 10 watts of output. Then you also have for bulbs, you have 12 volts up to 3 amperes. There is an LCD display, a LED light. Solar charging could take up to 15 hours. And charging via AC or with its adapter can take you up to 8 hours. And you can also connect an external 12 volt lead acid battery up to 20 amperes in capacity. So now let's unbox this one. So their box is straightforward, it's easy to carry around. So this is what's inside the box. So this is so heavy. So you have here your AC charging. So this is a barrel plug. This is quite light. Based on the specifications here, I don't know if you can see that. This is a 14.4 volts 1 ampere for the output. You have here your 4-in-1 USB to other devices like type C. I think the only two useful here is this micro USB for some older devices, and most of the devices right now that is running on USB type C. Here's your alligator clips. This will be connected at the back of the power station, part of the power adapter. Whoa. You have a spare fuse and the manual. So this is the output is for 12 volts up to 3 amperes. This is meant for those 12 volt LED bulbs. You have here up to 2.4 amperes, 5 volts for your devices. This is for the light and this is for the AC. Here you can charge this an 18 volt input, but our charger here is only 14.41 ampere. And yes, this is both for the AC charging and for the solar panel that comes with it. Here's your lamp Then you have here your fuse, and then this is for the alligator clips. This goes here. And the bottom you have here some vents. This is for cooling your the inverter. So there are 3 buttons here. These are switches because you cannot use all of them at the same time. You can use either 1 or 2. So if you'd like to use the outputs for USB, you just there you go. There's the LCD. I'm sorry if you can't see that. There you go, I guess. So it's going to be long press for most of the time. So here's your light. So it's not that bright enough, not even dim, but this is usable. There'll be different indicators. There it says LED. So this is the optional solar panel at 20 watts, and this is portable enough so you can bring this with you. If you're not into AC charging and you want to save power, then you can use the solar panel to charge the power station. Though it may take some time, about 15 hours as they say, or even more depending on the conditions outside. Then if you don't want to use or rise up the power bills at home, then this is a big help, especially on emergency situations. So here's the solar panel, and that's much about this. Now you can use this power station when you're out camping, under emergencies, typhoons, hurricanes, cyclones, earthquake, and other forms of emergencies. You can use this power station to power up your devices or other gadgets with you. So we will demonstrate its usefulness. So let's go. So the power adapter here turns green when it's on. So now let's plug this to the power station. This is to test the charging. There you go. That's how it looks like when it's charging. Now then, let's try the solar panel. Unfortunately, it's cloudy or about 5 p.m. now. So let's plug this in. There you go. It registers as a DC input and it's charging. So this is my electric fan here. This is about 80 watts on full power. So I'll be plugging this in the power station, but be sure to turn this one on first. So AC is now on. Let's plug the fan. Three, two, one. There you go. And yes, it works. So now let's see if this power station can handle our TV. There you go. It's plugged in. There you go. It's working. And this is all powered by this power station. There you go. It works. It is charging. Now this is the power station. This is driving our Kevlar Professional GX5UB Pro. This is 230 watts input, but that will only happen at maximum volume. At the moment right now, I'm only about 1/8 of the total volume. And this thing is powerful. This is loud. And this is going to be driving the speakers. So let's demonstrate if it's capable or not. So let's just go with a bit more volume. So now let's play a song. So that was my video of the NSS portable power station. Thank you so much for tuning in to this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also follow my pages. I'll be posting my affiliate links as well. This will help the channel out. Please don't forget to follow me on my Facebook page and via Twitter and YouTube as well. Everyone, you all have a great day, everyone. Bye.